Hello everyone. Today me and my friend Maria will talk about Hishkaroo River analysis. And now we will talk about Baroque style garden. It's an historical classic landscape design and its main characteristics are symmetrical shapes and water canals and centerpieces like a fountain or sculptures. It was like a drama completed with audience. In our class, which is Architectural Analysis 2, we analyzed Hishkaroo River by dividing it to several sections. Each group analyzed one section. The one that we'll cover now is Section D near Salahuddin Al-Ayyubi Mosque. As you can see in the video, the dirt is covering the river and stole its image, and there is no sight of nature in there. For the site analysis, the river is surrounded by different types of buildings, but the landmark for this section is Salahuddin Mosque. Also, citizens everywhere desire to have connection with the nature and places where they can relax and socialize and also practice different activities.
We did a research about the local plantation that we can use in our site. We looked for 3 different types of roses, trees, and shrubs. As you can see in the poster, for roses we chose damask rose, orchid flower, and nergis flower. For trees we chose oak tree, olive tree, and chinar tree. And for shrubs we chose shimshar shrub, escalonia shrub, and wonderboom shrub. We chose these specific plants because it's possible to have them in here. Also, they are resistant to the weather in Kurdistan. Biophilic design. In order to apply the biophilic design patterns into our project, we divided the river site into zones, and we named them depending on their problems. We have 4 main zones. The first one is blurred borders. We called this zone the blurred borders because of the lack of connection and borders in the site. The second one is grey atmosphere. This name represents the dirty river that is full of trash. The third one is red frontier, which represents the inappropriate parking space next to the mosque that causes a lot of noise to the surrounding areas. The fourth and last zone is brownish terrain. We called this zone brownish terrain because of the lack of greenery. Everything is dry and brown wherever you look around you in the site. And here you can see the problems of our zones. The first problem that we have in our site is lack of connection. As you can see in the picture number 1, there isn't any kind of connection between the river and the site, and there is no access to the river. In order to fix this problem, we need to redesign the river into a public gathering space where people from the neighborhood can go there and enjoy their time. Also, connecting both roads on the side of the river by a pedestrian bridge. The second problem that we have here is illegal dumping. Throwing chemical materials in the river causes a lot of environmental issues. Furthermore, it damages the water of the river. To solve this problem, we need to add various types of recyclable trash cans all around the river and put some rules about it.
Unshaded park area. In the middle street and beside the river, we have a free space that is used as a car park, but this causes a lot of noise and visual pollution to the surroundings area because it's not an appropriate place to park. Solution for this problem, we should have an appropriate parking area next to the mosque and separated from the riverside. Also, we have lack of plants. The lack of greenery in the site causes many issues for the environment, especially the environment pollution, so it gives a negative energy. Provide a better landscape and increase the level of greenery and plantations that reduces the air pollution. Also, these are the biophilic patterns that we use and their effects on the stress reduction, performance, and our mood. We did a questionnaire analysis to communicate with the people in order to know their opinions and suggestions about the river. Solution. These are some solutions for the river. We can add sitting areas similar to these, and also we can add some bridges and different types of activities.
Our class did a campaign about Hishkaroo River. We went to the river with Dr. Ahmed. We chose a section from the river, which was Section D, next to the passport directory. Actually, the campaign was so successful and there were a lot of participants. We asked people from different ages about their opinions and suggestions in order to be linked with the community and to serve their needs. These are the campaign posters, and you can see the stickers from the campaign day. Participants wrote what they like and what they suggest on it. And these are some pictures from the campaign day. An example of riverbank landscape design. Han River in Seoul. Han River is one of the most popular rivers in Seoul, known as a great place to ride bikes, have picnics, and watch late-night shows. As you can see in the pictures, they have provided a safe and clear environment for people to gather and to do different kinds of activities. So, if we want to have a river like this, we need to work on developing Hishkaroo River and to make it look like this in the near future. Thank you for watching our video.